Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M405dn printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP LaserJet Pro M405dn driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. I open this first link, software and driver download. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name. And here we find the operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Here we find operating system Windows. In a version, select Windows 11. Then here we find the update is available. Then click on that. It's refresh your page or this box. After that, scroll down. And here we find installation software and full basic driver supports. If it's not expand, then expand it. Here we find recommended driver or full printer solution. Download this. Here we find the size and the version. Click on the download and it's redirect to another HP official website, and download is started at the top. At the top, download is started and it takes few seconds to download to complete. Here we find our download is almost complete. Wait for few seconds. Download is complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find the printer drivers and we are going to install these printer drivers. That is very easy and simple. Basically, these printer driver files are a zip file. First, we unzip these printer driver files. That is very easy and simple. Right click on this file. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find extraction process is started. Unzip process is started. Wait for a few seconds to unzip these files on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds. Our unzip process is done. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. And here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install this printer driver. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find use existing port. Most IMP part of this installation. Select this existing port. Click it here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on Hardix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder, unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some file. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP LaserJet Pro M404, M404, PCL6, version 3 and version 4. Okay. Select any printer driver that you want. This is the series printer, and in this series printer, our printer name M405dn is also included. Select that printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I want to give my printer name. So I type HP LaserJet Pro M405dn. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installed in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer driver. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet Pro M405dn or whatever name that you queue is appear at this list, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.